Hello there. We are going to open a mystery booster box. So this one I got from my local LGS. I have 4 of these. This is the second box that I'm opening. So this contains 24 booster packs. Just a little backgrounder. I did a first video on this. The actual contents of the mystery booster box, the first one, it had 25 packs. So let's check if the second one contains the same number of booster box packs. Sorry about that. So as you can see, this is a new box. This seems just right. Because the first one, when I open it, one stack is above the other two. If you haven't seen that video, might I suggest go watch my first video, first box opening. That actually has 25 packs. So this 24. Each stack has 8. Yep, we're going to start opening. Our aim today is to get as much value from the single cards we're going to pull from these packs. Pack number 1. Just check. Okay. Just a disclaimer, I'm not that familiar with the cards that are in this set. I don't actually know which ones has value and which doesn't. So for this one, this is the foil Pyretic Ritual for our foil. For our rare, it's Boros Reckoner and some old cards. Second pack. Okay, let's see. Crib swap. The white and the blues. Oh, so these are by color, 2 each. The red, green, multicolored. What's this? Common land, Phantom Centaur for a rare, Whirl of Invention, and a Elemental Shaman for a foil. Now this one's a rare too. No, uncommon. Okay. Third pack. Guys, help me identify those cards that could be valuable so that I could save them. Reason for that is I just returned from playing Magic the Gathering. My last expansion set was Mirrodin, if I'm not mistaken. Foil Archetype of Endurance. I played from Invasion block up to Mirrodin. And I just came back during the release of Throne of Eldraine. I'm not that familiar with the cards prior to Invasion or Odyssey block, and those after Mirrodin. Oh, the Jinn. I'm not actually sure of what we're looking for. I know there's this Mana Crypt and Vampiric Tutor, that's also one. Rhystic Study is also one. Hopefully we get to see those cards. Okay, that's our that's our fourth pack. Now on to the fifth one. Stave off, fragmentize. Okay, still no Ristic, still no Vampiric. You know what, I should have checked on the cards. That should get me excited during this video, so that I could share with you the excitement when you see something that is important or valuable. I'm sorry about that, but again, to reiterate, the only things that I know are valuable here is the Mana Grip, Vampiric Shooter, Ristic Study, and that foil triplet something. Oh, look at that, a Ristic Study. Okay, I know that is valuable. I saw a video unboxing as well. Also, this time, the advantage of Magic the Gathering players and collectors during this time is that you could check the prices online, right? Back then, during my days, you're not able to do that. So this time, it would be easier, but you know, going through these cards one by one is exhausting when you check their prices. I definitely won't do that. Probably I'm going to ask a couple of friends about what I'll show them the cards and then have them tell me which are the important ones or the usable ones. Maybe you'll be wondering what I would do with these cards, why I bought them. I'm planning on building my EDH deck, my first EDH deck, because I've only known standard cards, and I see a lot of Magic the Gathering players, they love to play EDH or Commander. Maybe you could also help me, guys, because I'm still at the stage of deciding what commander to use to build upon or to build around, because I would want a competitive EDH deck that I could calibrate to let's say casual play, if that is possible, huh? You could comment down below what commander or what legendary creatures you would suggest me using for my deck. Like this one, a legendary creature, human wizard, flash, flying, historic spells. What's that? What is historic spells? Not familiar with that one. Two rares and a foil common. Two rares. Okay, we're almost halfway there. Halfway there. So I have two more boxes that I would be unboxing. Maybe, well, I could do it immediately, but the video might not upload it that soon. I feel that it has a little bit of damage there. I don't know if you could see it, guys, right there on the top. Wheel of Fate. and a Lantern of Insight. Okay. So far, no mana grip. That's just sad. Because, you know, you could get, or one mana grip could pay the value of the whole box. Diminish. Dinosaur Hunter. Oh, I remember this card. Goblin Bombardment. See, I only recognize just a couple of these cards. Bow of Nylea. For common. Okay. So we're left with exactly 12 more packs. We're in the half point or half mark. Estates, Jonas. Again, if you could help me guys identify which cards are valuable, I appreciate you commenting. Gateway Plaza, Tempt with Discovery, and a Patron of the Moon. Foil rare. Oh, this is also a foil. Okay. Next one. My first video, I hadn't actually set up my stab wound. Haven't actually set up my camera properly on the last video, so I'm sorry about that. But it's really fun knowing that I unboxed 25 packs on one booster box. Imagine the odds of that. It was a mistake. Okay, still no tutor. You got the Ristic Study though. We're so much artifact. I hope you get me mana grip later. Okay, so Timur colors, elemental. It's also legendary feature, protection from white and black. Wow. 2/3 done now. Mr. Raven, counter spell. That's something. Burnished Heart, Magnus of the Moat, and El Snorn for a mythic. Maybe I could use that as my commander. A mythic legendary feature. It's white though. I think white is boring. I know a lot of you would disagree with me, but I just hate playing white and red. Gruel Signet. Violent Ultimatum. Did they reprint these cards? Release of the Gremlins. Wow. Release of the Gremlins. It's like a movie title or something. Or was it? I don't know. Marco by Horror. Gone Missing, yeah. Gone Missing, member. Shock! Guardians of Maltese, Martyr's Bond. And what's this? Planeswalker? Okay. I could start a new pile. Still Scar Feast. No Battle Gnomes. Fungasaur. Oops. Let me care of that. Am I properly... Oops. Tar Snare, Peepkeeper, Cross and Tusker, Artifact Land, Black Knight, and Planeswalker. Nixa, Voice of Sykora. It's a mythic. Okay. So no Mana Crypt. Yeah. It's not that easy because there are a lot of cards in the set. 1800 if I'm not mistaken. So you will be really lucky if you get Mana Crypt. Blessing, Tome versus Rage, and nothing exciting, at least for me. I don't know for you. Conviction, cover, nada. I think I opened the dumpster fire as I have heard it. Circular Logic. Oh, yeah. Living Dead, Rishidan, Footpad, Lightning Storm. Yeah. I'm just familiar with Living Dead. Last pack. Okay. Last pack of the night. Show of Mercy, Foil. Strategic Planning, Krumar, Bandkin, Rabid Bloodsucker. New Horizons. The Crowd Goes Wild. Wow, what a card. Card name, huh? Common. Common Land, Pyrexian Metamorph. Oh, do we get there? Do we get there? No, it's a Chromatic Lantern instead of a Mana Crypt. Though I was kind of hoping because it's an artifact. And then a source weirding. Alright, that's it for our mystery booster unboxing, or however you call it. Thanks guys, and hopefully I could do more videos like this one. Alright, bye.